Hi guys, welcome to my new vlog. Hope you all are doing well. As you can see on my face, I have just woken up and I started vlogging for the day. So it's weekend and I have planned to attend a few workshops. So it's Saturday and I'm attending Yash sir ka class, which is at 3 to 5 p.m. at Banjarine, Bandra. The song name is Uyamma. तो कोरियो थोड़ा sassy है, so it's gonna be a new style for me. Probably I'll be meeting Siddhi after workshop. So tomorrow, that is Sunday, I'm attending Rahul Matta sir ka class, which is in Andheri All Things Studio at 3 to 5 p.m. The song name is Yeah, that's what the song name is. I really love the choreo. उसमें थोड़ा Afro vibe है. That's the plan for this weekend because I have woken up very late, so I'll have to rush to get ready because I take a lot of time to get ready. So bye guys. So I'm ready और ये होने वाला है मेरे आज के वर्कशॉप का आउटफिट. द किक्स आर गोना बी Adidas Samba. If possible, I'll shoot the complete fit check. If possible. Actually, I'm running very late और मुझे throughout the day vlog करना है, so थोड़ा challenging है. So I'll have to rush now. My नाश्ता is ready. It's right there. So नाश्ता करके मैं फटाक से भागने वाला हूँ. Bye guys. Bye. So right now I'm having my comfort food for नाश्ता. And I'll show you what it is. That's Lasuni Pohe. Bhai Saab, the amount of love that I have received for Lasuni Pohe in my second vlog is crazy. So thank you इतना प्यार देने के लिए. It feels very good. So I made a blunder. मेरा आज का क्लास 4 PM का था और मैं घर से 3 PM के हिसाब से निकला था. And now I'm way ahead of time. So I literally have to come to Chayos, which is nearby the studio, get past with the time. Because I had to rush to leave for the workshop, I compromised with my breakfast. Now to make up for that, I'm ordering some food over here. So my today's class is at 4 PM and right now it's 2 PM. So पता नहीं ये 2 घंटे कैसे स्पेंड होने वाले हैं. Actually मेरा कल का क्लास 3 PM का है. So I got a bit confused with the timings. Anyways, I'm still glad that I reached way early because I just found out that आज का क्लास sold out हो गया. So it's gonna be very crowded. So I'll reach there and grab my space. So finally the food is here. I have ordered corn spinach mayo sandwich. ये sandwich से ज़्यादा ये बहुत tasty. I don't know what we call this. So I am done with the food, feeling better, and now I am on my way to the class, which is at 4 PM. And after this class, I'm going to meet Siddhi, and we are going to go Scarlet House, जो Malaika Arora का नया रेस्टोरेंट है. I guess it's in Bandra. I'm not sure. Siddhi has been there before, so we are gonna go there. So bye. I'll see you after the class. Guys, so I'm done with the workshop. It was my first workshop of Yash Kadam. It was really amazing. I'm so exhausted and now I'm starving, so I want to grab a bite. So we are heading to Scarlet House and see who I met. That's Siddhi, the great.
Yes.
Self-proclaimed. Okay, so we are heading to Scarlet House and it's owned by
Malaika.
Okay, so Siddhi has been there before, तो उसको पता है. So she has some good
have to take a
recommendations. Okay, bye guys. Now it's very uncomfortable because यहाँ का road अच्छा नहीं है. So I'll continue with the vlog afterwards. Okay, we almost reached.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys. See you later. So we have finally reached the restaurant that we have been planning to go to since morning, and that's Bastion. I know as per the plan we were supposed to go to Scarlet House. And after this class, I'm going to meet Siddhi and we are going to go Scarlet House, जो Malaika Arora का नया रेस्टोरेंट है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ कि वहाँ पे हमारा रिजर्वेशन नहीं था. हम लोग सोचे वॉकिंग मिल जाएगा हमें, बट नहीं मिला. सो वी वर थ्रोन आउट. बट देन आई थॉट दैट वी शुड गो समवेयर विच इज़ इक्वली अमेजिंग. कि Bastion Bandra में भी है. सो राइट नाउ वी आर इन द Bastion Bandra आउटलेट. सो इट्स अ सडन शिफ्ट फ्रॉम Malaika to Shilpa.
Hi guys. There is no point in coming to Bastion if you haven't tried their legendary dessert, that is Fulmiyake. Since it's my first time, so I'm going to do the honors.
कर टेस्ट कर.
Oh my god, dude. It's like heaven in my mouth.
We are done with the dinner. बहुत better feel हो रहा है. Now it's time to say goodbye to my friend Siddhi. देखो ओवर एक्टिंग की मुहूर्त. Siddhi, how does it feel to be a part of my vlog? Have you expected that will be there on YouTube via my vlog? कसं वाटतंय? गजब बेइज्जती है.
Why are your vlog on YouTube? Please do. First of all,
Have you dreamt of this moment?
okay, so I think my laughter will justify that ये बंदे के सपने बहुत ज़्यादा है. उसको लगता है कि मैं उसके ब्लॉग में आना ये मेरी ड्रीम है. Please, I have better plans ahead. But jokes apart, I'm super happy for him that he has started the vlogging part, and I can see the confidence is too good. But obviously, I need to get the credits to push to that hard. So. Mandar abhari meal hai bhari.
Yeah, thank you for always rooting there for me.
And also guys, please subscribe to Saurabh channel. I don't think the vlog is going to end, but I'm just telling it in advance.
Thank you for the outro, which I didn't ask for. Bye. I'm back home, though I'm a bit exhausted, but अभी मैं बैठ के मेरा रील एडिट करने वाला हूँ उई अम्मा का. अदरवाइज मैं जस्ट उसको पोस्टपोन करते रहूंगा, which I don't want. By the time I upload this vlog, ये रील अपलोड हो चुका होगा. So I'm mentioning the link of this उई अम्मा reel in my description box. So go watch it out. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, then please do. Yeah, कल का प्लान है, I am attending राहुल मट्टा सर का workshop, which is in All Things Studio at 3 to 5 p.m. So that's it. So bye guys. Now I'm gonna edit my video. So I'll see you tomorrow. So hi guys, welcome to day 2 of the vlog. So I'm on my way to All Things Studio for workshop. So right now I'm at Andheri metro station and I'll be boarding metro from Andheri to go to DN Nagar and फिर DN Nagar से और एक metro पकड़ूंगा लोअर रोशिल्डा के लिए and फिर वहाँ से by walk 5 minutes studio आ जाता है. So आज मैं टाइम पे हूँ, ज़्यादा अर्ली भी नहीं और ज़्यादा लेट भी नहीं. So bye guys, see you after the class. I'm done with the workshop and workshop was very amazing. So right now I am at Andheri railway station and I just had a burger, so feeling better. So I'll continue with the vlog once I reach home because I'm thoda exhausted. So bye. Hi guys, so I'm back home, bit exhausted but I'm glad because ये weekend बहुत productive था. I attended 2 workshops of different styles. First workshop यश कदम सर का था जो sassy choreo था, and then second workshop which happened today, that is Sunday, of Rahul Matta sir, which was Afro. I really enjoyed both the workshops and by the time I upload this vlog ये दोनों reels upload हो चुके होंगे. So I'll mention the link in the description box. Do check out the videos and if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet then please do. And that's it for this weekend. If you really like this vlog, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next vlog. Bye guys. Okay guys, so if you really like this vlog then do not forget to like, share, subscribe and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye.